today, for the start, we're going to show you a turkey, ham, Mazdam cheese. For making this sandwich that is very healthy and it's very easy. Preparation is only 5 or 6 minutes, and Daria is going to help me to make this. Yes. For this recipe, we need to cut the baguette first. Daria,
Yeah?
you want to empty the
Okay.
excess dough?
Um,
Yeah, nice and easy.
Mommy, how
Yes.
are we supposed to make this a sandwich then?
Okay, I'll show you now. Just we put this back, and yes, don't make it too much because you're gonna put hole inside it. That's
Okay.
great. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay, Daria, would you please bring for mommy Mazdam cheese from the fridge?
Okay, Captain.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Then just wait for Daria to bring the cheese from the fridge. Put this away.
At your
Okay.
service, madam.
Okay. This is the cheese I normally use for my sandwiches, and Daria loves the taste. And the packing is very nice and it's very easy to use. As you see, you can open it and cut it in any pieces you like and add to the sandwich.
Ooh.
It's okay.
Mom, is this the same cheese from Tom and Jerry and like cartoons?
Yes, 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 it is. Daria. Okay, then we're gonna roll this, put it in our sandwich. That's
How
great.
do you like?
Okay, anyway, it's fine. Okay, now it's time for putting the turkey.
Mom, do
Yes?
you think it's time for the turkey dance?
Oh no, that's enough.
Okay,
For once is
just a
enough.
tiny bit.
Please, please. And you can put chicken, ham, or tofu, anything you wish for vegetarians. It's just we chose turkey ham. Daria,
Yep.
Daria, can you put another piece of turkey ham? You know what? If you help mommy and be a good girl, I'm gonna have a good surprise for you at the end of this.
Okay, that sounds like a fair enough deal.
Okay. Okay. Now it's time to put veggies. I have beetroot slices. I cooked it before, sliced it, and I love it. It's very healthy and it has many benefits for us and for the kids. Just we put some slices here. And look at the color. And some lettuce. Yeah, I'm gonna put that later.
Okay.
Lettuce.
Can I put some?
Yes, go ahead, Daria. You can put any vegetables you like. You can add the beetroot or cucumber, anything you wish. That's the healthy tip of this sandwich, that we add these things with the cheese and other stuff to make it more healthier and more appetizing for the kids. Now we're done with that, and now it's turn for
Barbecue sauce.
yeah. Just we can
Drizzle some.
yes, like that.
Can I put some on, Mom?
Yes, go ahead. Oops. Yes, the other part. I think that's enough.
Maybe a bit on the
Great.
actual.
Our sandwich is ready. Quick and easy.
Okay.
Put it back. Now we have to fold it nicely and press it down. Daria, do you want to make another sandwich?
Yeah.
You're gonna make it all by yourself, and I promise, if you make it nice, I'll at end of this, I'll give you the surprise.
Really?
Yes.
Yay. Okay, so then
You put the
Take some
Mazdam cheese.
cheese.
Yes, that's great, Daria. Press it down.
Oh, there's a bit.
As you see, Daria made her own turkey Mazdam cheese sandwich.
Yes.
Okay. Daria, go and get the lunchbox for me.
Okay, Captain.
That's my girl.
Do.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to put it yourself?
Yeah.
And cutlery here.
Okay.
Let's close it.
Can I have this now, Mom?
Okay, why not? You can have that.